Welcome to the Crypto Andrew Show. I've changed a few things since I last posted. I did add a watermark at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. If you click that will take you to my YouTube channel where I have my Patreon, my trading group. So link to join is in the description to the right. With that being said, let's look at XCN. I haven't looked at XCN in a little bit of time now. And since then, the markets have taken a dip. I did still go live and everything like the normal, but I haven't posted a YouTube video in like a week. To be frank with you, I don't know, man. The markets have been not good. I've still been posting my trading group and all, but I haven't been posting on YouTube like crazy because the love has not been there and the views aren't there. It just didn't make a lot of sense, so I took a little bit of a short-term break. The 3-day time frame oversold. The daily time frame oversold on XCN. I'm sorry, this still looks bearish to me. Really, nothing has changed either. So, like, updating anyone was pointless in my opinion because, like I told you, the trend was down on XCN, and really, I gave you the supports to the downside, and those haven't hit yet. So, or they're starting to hit. The next support I see, if you can't get back above 0.0093, I would be looking for 0.00568. For anyone that is not watching or watching the video, just listening to it, that would be the price level to watch out for. Would be 568 on XCN, currently coming in at 847. The daily time frame about to lose a 200, currently sitting 832. That's not a good sign. The 12-hour time frame is kind of close to being overbought again without making without making a new high. So that's a lower high on the 12-hour. It's just not good. Actually, from the last time you overbought, like on the 29th, in the last 9 days, last week, the 12-hour time frame has not gone over. So that's also pretty bearish. When you can't get oversold, that's not a good thing. 8-hour time frame has a local low at 751, but again, if Bitcoin dumps, you're likely to take that low up. If we jump down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see the 4-hour time frame made another lower high, about at that resistance level. Actually, crazy how that worked at 9.3. So again, the 4-hour got rejected off resistance. The 1-hour time frame is trying to make some kind of bottom. Maybe you could make some kind of bottom here on the 1-hour. It doesn't look fantastic, and honestly, Bitcoin looks pretty bearish to me right now. Although it did get a bounce off 74K, 74 and change. So this is what I'd be looking for on XCN. Is a possible move back above resistance, basically up to 1 penny exactly, if the 1-hour time frame wants to break out. We'll know if that's going to happen, but looking at the smaller time frames. The smaller time frames on the half-hour time frame kind of don't look fantastic. They don't look horrible, but they don't look fantastic. Like the 50-minute time frame, that's a lower low. And if you can't crack 853 now, that's a lower high. So it's kind of indecisive. I could see this breaking to the upside, but again, the trend is down, and like I say, the trend is your friend until the end. So the 1-hour time frame looks very bullish to me for a move up. The 2-hour time frame is curving up nicely as well. But then you look at the 3-hour, you look at the 4-hour time frame. I don't love any of these other time frames. So to me, you could see a move back to a penny, but at the same time, even if you get back to a penny, the macro trend is still down. So I'd be very cautious on XCN. I personally would not take this long, but it could pump. I would just not take the long because the trend is down, and frankly, the entire market looks like bad, and you're below support. Now, or resistance. Now, if you get above 9.3, you could look for longs. For right now, until you break 9.3, I would not long XCN. This is not financial advice. This is just what I see going on in the markets. Guys, to wrap up this video, respect the trend. The trend is your friend until the end, baby. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers and have a great night. By the way, I'll be live Saturday, 11 p.m. Central Time.